Emma, you seem really energetic today. How do you manage everything in your daily schedule?
Oh, Tom, you really want to hear about it? My day begins way before you open your eyes.
Wait, seriously? I just noticed dinner ready when I get home. There's more to the story?
So much more, sweetheart. Let me walk you through it, step by step. You're going to be amazed.
Okay, honey, I'm all ears today.
I get up at 5:30 in the morning. The whole house is peaceful and still. Everyone's fast asleep.
5:30, Emma? That's incredibly early. Why do you wake up before sunrise?
Because, Tom, I need quiet time to get myself organized for the day. I draw back the blinds and let the morning light stream in.
Draw back the blinds? So you pull them aside to let daylight come through?
Exactly, dear. The cool air and gentle light help me feel centered and prepared.
That sounds wonderful.
I can hear birds chirping outside. Sometimes I just soak in the stillness before chaos breaks out.
Stillness before chaos? I'm usually knocked out cold at that hour, honey.
I know, my sleepyhead. That's exactly why you don't realize how much I take care of in the early hours. After waking up, I head to the bathroom to freshen up.
Freshen up? That means getting yourself clean and ready for the day, right, Emma?
Yes, love. First thing, I splash cold water on my face. It really wakes me up.
Splash water. So you throw water on your face with both hands, correct?
Precisely, Tom. Then I brush my teeth thoroughly.
Brush your teeth. Same as clean your teeth, right?
Yes, honey. Brush my teeth means use my toothbrush to clean them.
Got it.
After that, I run a comb through my hair. If it looks crazy, I pull it back in a bun.
Crazy means wild and untidy, like bedhead, right, Emma?
Exactly, Tom. When I run a comb through my hair, I feel put together for the day.
So your routine is wake up, splash water, brush teeth, and run a comb through your hair.
Perfect summary, sweetheart. That's my quick bathroom routine. After the bathroom, I brew a pot of hot coffee. I love holding the steaming mug in both hands.
Coffee in the morning gives you a boost of energy, right, Emma?
Yes, darling. It helps me stay calm and focused. Sometimes I go over my schedule for the day.
Go over your schedule? Like reviewing a list of tasks?
Exactly. A schedule is a plan of activities I need to complete. For instance, prepare meals, tidy up, run errands.
Run errands? What does that mean?
Run errands means go out to do small tasks like shopping, picking up dry cleaning, or going to the post office.
Ah, I see. So you don't literally run, you just go do those tasks.
Correct. Did you know breakfast literally means break fast? At night, you fast because you don't eat. In the morning, you break that fast. So breakfast equals the first meal after sleeping. After my coffee, I whip up breakfast. I scramble eggs, pop bread in the toaster, and slice up fresh fruit.
Pop bread in the toaster? You mean put the bread in until it turns golden and crispy.
Yes, Tom, that's toasting. And when the delicious smell fills the air, the kids always roll out of bed.
So the breakfast aroma is their natural alarm clock.
Exactly. At 6:45, Lily and Ryan show up in the kitchen. Lily rushes over to give me a squeeze. Ryan plops down and stretches.
They tell you about their wild dreams from last night?
Yes! And my wonderful husband, yes, you, Tom, walks in with a big grin on his face.
That's right. I usually flip through my phone while we eat.
Breakfast is our quality family time. We eat, chat, and crack jokes. I absolutely treasure these moments.
Me too, sweetheart. It's definitely the highlight of the day.
After breakfast, Lily and Ryan throw on their backpacks. I double-check their lunch bags to ensure everything's packed.
Lunch bags. Those are the insulated containers with food for school, right, Emma?
Yes, exactly, Tom. A lunch bag holds food for school.
Got it, honey. That's why the kids never go hungry at lunchtime.
Then you head off to work, and I stay here.
What comes next?
After you take off, the house gets quiet. I tackle the kitchen cleanup. First up, I wash the dishes. Then I wipe down the counter and put things back where they belong.
Wipe down the counter? That means cleaning it with a damp cloth, right?
Yes, my love. Wipe down means clean thoroughly with a cloth. For example, wipe down the counter, wipe down the table, or wipe down the stove.
I see. So you wash, wipe, and organize. Already productive before 9 a.m., dear.
After the kitchen, I sweep up the floor. I grab the broom and clear away any crumbs or dust.
Sweep up? So basically, you gather the dirt with a broom?
Exactly. Sweep up the floor means use a broom to collect dirt. It keeps the house fresh.
No wonder our floors look spotless compared to my messy office.
Did you know laundry comes from Latin lavare, meaning to wash? So laundry simply means clothes that need washing. Around 10 a.m., I straighten up the bedrooms and make the beds. I crack open the windows to let fresh air circulate.
So make the bed just means arranging the sheets and pillows neatly, right, Emma?
Yes, Tom. Make the bed means tidy it up nicely.
Aha! That explains why your side always looks hotel perfect and mine looks like a tornado hit it.
Then I throw in a load of laundry. I load up the washing machine and hit the start button.
Throw in a load? That's a casual way to say do the laundry, right?
Yes. Throw in a load means start washing clothes. For example, I throw in a load every morning.
And the machine makes that humming sound while it runs.
Yes, exactly, dear. While it's running, I turn on some music and sing along.
That explains the cheerful singing I hear from upstairs.
After laundry, I water the plants. Some bloom with flowers, others stay green and leafy. They brighten up the whole house.
Ah, so that's the trick. You give them water regularly and they thrive.
Yes, water the plants means give them the hydration they need. It's simple, but it brings me joy.
Well, they definitely look healthier when you look after them.
At 11:30, I pull out the clean clothes from the washer and hang them up outside in the sunshine.
So hang them up means putting them on a clothesline or rack so they can air dry?
Yes, Tom. Hang them up means suspend them to dry. For example, hang up the clothes on a line or hang up shirts on hangers.
But why not just toss them in the dryer? Isn't that quicker?
A dryer uses hot air to dry clothes fast, but I prefer the sun and natural breeze. It's eco-friendly, and the clothes smell amazing.
Ah, I understand now. The dryer is convenient, but the sun gives them that fresh scent.
Exactly. Sometimes I pause for a minute to feel the warm sunshine on my skin.
That does sound peaceful and rejuvenating.
Around 12:30, I fix myself lunch. It's usually something easy, like a garden salad or a turkey wrap.
Fix yourself lunch? That means prepare or make lunch, right?
Yes, fix lunch means prepare a meal. Americans use fix this way all the time.
Simple but nutritious. I should start fixing my own lunch instead of eating out.
I sit at the kitchen table with my meal and a magazine. The house is completely silent. I can hear the wall clock ticking away.
Ticking away? You mean making that repetitive tick-tock sound?
Yes, Tom, the clock ticks away means it keeps making steady sounds as time passes.
It sounds so calm and peaceful.
Peaceful means tranquil, quiet, and comfortable. Yes?
Exactly, Emma. Peaceful equals calm, serene, and pleasant. I love how you paint that picture. Makes me want to slow down and appreciate life more.
After lunch, I grab my reusable shopping bag and walk down to the neighborhood grocery store.
Reusable shopping bag? That's just an eco-friendly bag you bring for groceries, right?
Yes, Tom, a reusable shopping bag is a bag you use multiple times instead of getting plastic bags.
So groceries mean food and household items from the store, correct?
Yes, the word grocery originally meant in bulk, so groceries means various food items you purchase. On my way, I wave to the neighbors and stop to chat. The store isn't huge, but it stocks everything I need.
That sounds cozy. Cozy means compact but comfortable and inviting, right?
Yes, cozy means small, warm, and welcoming.
I like that. Cozy spaces always feel more personal and friendly.
I pick out fresh produce, a loaf of whole wheat bread, and a gallon of milk. I always inspect the eggs closely to make sure none are cracked.
That's smart thinking. I always forget to check the eggs before buying.
At checkout, the cashier says, "Have a great day," and I smile and thank her back.
That's such a nice touch. Small pleasantries, but they really brighten the day.
At 3:45, I walk over to the bus stop to meet Lily and Ryan. Sometimes they walk home, but today I wait for them there.
The bus stop. That's the designated spot where the school bus drops off students, right?
Yes, Tom. A bus stop is a location where buses pick up or drop off passengers. When the children arrive home, they dump their backpacks by the door and immediately start chattering away.
Yes, Lily always goes first. She proudly shows me her artwork from class.
Ryan tells me he scored a goal during recess soccer.
I love those moments. The house comes alive again with their energy.
After that, I get started on dinner. I chop up vegetables, rinse rice, and marinate the fish.
Marinate? You mean add sauce and spices to make the food flavorful?
Exactly. Marinate means soak food in seasoning before cooking to enhance the taste.
And that incredible aroma spreads throughout the house. Always makes my stomach growl.
At 6:15, you arrive home from the office. The children sprint to you and you wrap them in big hugs.
That's truly the best part of my workday. When I walk through that door, they light up and yell, "Daddy's home!"
Then we all gather around the table for dinner. I bring out rice, grilled fish, and roasted vegetables.
Vegetables are things like carrots, green beans, and spinach, right?
Yes, vegetables are nutritious foods that come from plants. They're healthy and colorful.
Family dinner is always special. At the table, we eat, share stories, and sometimes tell hilarious jokes.
Lily giggles, and Ryan tries talking with his mouth completely stuffed with food.
Yes, I always remind him, "Ryan, please finish chewing before you talk."
Did you know? Long ago, dinner was the main meal and wasn't always eaten at night. Today, most Americans say dinner for the evening meal. So dinner typically means the biggest meal of the day. After dinner, we team up to clean up. I wash the dishes and you dry them off.
Dry them off means remove the water with a towel, correct?
Yes, Dry off means remove moisture after washing. It goes much faster when we work together.
Later, we sometimes catch a TV episode or play cards with the kids.
Cards? You mean a deck of playing cards, not video games?
Yes, cards are a classic tabletop game you play with your hands. That always makes the evening feel warm and connected.
At 8:30, it's time for the children to wind down for bed. They brush their teeth, change into pajamas, and crawl into bed.
Wind down? That means start relaxing and preparing for sleep, right?
Yes, wind down means gradually relax before bedtime.
Pajamas, those are the special sleepwear outfits, right?
Yes, pajamas are comfortable clothes designed for sleeping.
I love that routine. Reading together helps them drift off to sleep so peacefully.
When the kids are sound asleep, I sometimes video call my sister. I ask about her day, and she always asks about the kids.
A video call with your sister. That keeps you close, even though she lives across the country.
Exactly. A video call means talking face to face using technology. It feels personal and warm. Before bed, I brew a cup of herbal tea for myself. I sink into the couch and sip it slowly. The house is finally peaceful and quiet.
Tea before bed helps you unwind and relax.
Yes. Then I jot down a quick to-do list for tomorrow.
A to-do list again? You really plan ahead, Emma. You accomplish so much, Emma.
It helps me stay on track and remember everything. Finally, I brush my teeth, slip on my pajamas, and climb into bed, and that wraps up a long, productive day.
You accomplish so much, Emma. So, Emma,
Yes, it's hectic, but I feel fulfilled and surrounded by love.
that was your entire day yesterday. From morning coffee to lights out. Constantly busy, but filled with love. Listening to you, Emma, I've realized something important. If you hadn't explained it all, I would never truly appreciate how much you actually accomplish.
Yes, otherwise it remains invisible. You do so much, but it goes unnoticed.
Exactly. That's why describing your daily routine matters. When you can articulate your day, people can recognize your hard work and dedication.
Because when you can express it clearly, people will understand you better and value your efforts.
Right. And it's the same principle for our English learners. Don't just work silently in the background. Practice describing your daily routine in English, and that builds your confidence and communication skills.
So friends learning English, practice talking about your daily routine. Don't let your hard work stay hidden in the shadows.
Perfect advice. Now, let's kick off today with positive energy and a smile.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the like button. And also, if you have an idea about next video, leave your idea in the comment. See you